right? So let's approach the problem this way. If you were to create content, what would you need? How would you make it work best for you? And again, in the new way that the web is shaping up, what are we seeing? We're seeing that anything which resonates with a person individually, which creates those emotional touch points, is most likely to move them because it most likely reflects the intentions that led them to a particular place, which is most likely to lead to a behavior which we want to see. In most cases, a purchase decision or the consumption of a particular piece of information. So if we were to create content that does that, it needs to resonate with that person at an emotional level with them, which means that it needs to address their particular needs in a particular way. Right. We have studies that show that content that is written with empathy, and we're using a word now which again is very vaguely defined, resonates better with them, gets shared a lot more, and leads more to behavior which is desirable for the website in question. So in order to understand this better, we need to say, okay, what is empathy? And if we just brush away all the misconceptions about it, essentially empathy is a mechanism in the brain that allows us to project ourselves in the shoes of the person we are targeting with our content and understand their behavior better, understand their motivation better, which gives us a handle on their intent, which allows us also to feel their emotional points. So if we can do that, what do we need to do that, right? We need knowledge, we need some kind of expertise, we need an idea of who they are, we need an idea of where they possibly are, and then we begin to understand the how of their situation. So if we have all those things, it's just information, basically data, then we can create content that is empathy driven, which then resonates with the audience.
But then you have the problem. If I manage to do that,